Hey guys, how are you doing? Let's have a quick look of iPhone 16 Pro Max Desert Titanium color. In our last episode, we saw the quick look of iPhone 16 Pro Natural Titanium color and explained the features that you are going to see if you're coming from the iPhone 14 Pro and 15 Pro model. With this iPhone 16 Pro Max Desert Titanium, you can clearly see it is kind of a fusion between the bronze and gold color. Last year, with the iPhone 15 Pro lineup release, Apple have kind of discontinued the gold color. And with this year, with the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, Apple have brought back the gold color in the name of Desert Titanium. You can see in the video it is kind of a little bit dark, makes it look like a little bit bronze. And only in the back side, you can once again see, up to the iPhone 14 series, the gold color we had have similar back glass design. So this year with the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, the Desert Titanium color looks quite strong on the camera lens area, the metal rings, and in the sides where the titanium frame looks. And the controversial camera control button is here. iPhone 16 lineup, Apple have placed it in the exact same position where you can easily access it using your thumb. It is quite easy to access when you use it in the portrait mode, in the vertical mode. But when you turn the iPhone into horizontal mode, I think it is kind of a little bit difficult to access using your thumb. You need to use your index finger. The controls, gestures and everything, single tap, double tap, everything works perfectly fine. But these controls, once triggered from the camera control button, you can easily access it using the touchscreen. So with all these years as we have practiced with the use of on-screen controls, I really wonder how users are going to get adopt to the camera control button, or will it be just another fancy feature that Apple have added and it will not be useful that much? Do share your thoughts about the camera control in the comments if you have experienced the phone yourself at the Apple showroom or with any of your friends' device. With the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, we have some internal improvements Apple have done. The very important thing is, along with the A18 Pro Bionic chipset, we get 35% increase in the battery performance overall, which results in 4 hours additional battery backup compared to iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max model. So that is really impressive. But in real world use case, it will be different, but still you will get at least an additional 1 to 2 hours of battery backup when you use the phone in different network conditions and with different application. And the new thermal management Apple have done inside, if you have some resource intensive usage, then that will definitely be helpful. Like if you're playing games on your iPhone 16 Pro Max, then you will definitely have a better temperature control inside. And I totally forgot to mention about the display. It was 6.7-inch display up to iPhone 15 Pro Max, and right now with the 16 Pro Max we now have 6.9-inch display. It is almost close to 7-inch display, which is kind of too big. So it is advisable for you to personally experience the device at Apple showroom. If you were using the Pro model or regular 13, 14 or 15 models, then it is must to try the device personally before considering to update to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Battery will be the main reason that many people go for the Pro Max model, to get a better battery backup to at least 1.5 days, and on average usage some users may get around 2 days battery backup. So in such cases it is important to take a note of the handling as well. So make sure to experience the device once at Apple Store before going for the upgrade with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And when you compare with the iPhone 14 Pro and 15 Pro display, the 0.2-inch increase maximum, will show additional 1 or 2 line when you surf the web on Safari or any other browser. So it will not pack more content than what you were used to see. And the display resolution is slightly increased diagonally, based on the 0.2 inches increase. The PPI and all other things are exactly same, the nits brightness. So I don't think any specific reason for you to update from iPhone 15 Pro Max to 16 Pro Max, other than the reason being like if you like to upgrade to new iPhone every year. So do share your thoughts in the comments. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day.